Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds n and ng. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the n sound in the word thin, thin, thin. Now the ng sound in the word thing, thing, thing. Now I will use them both in a sentence. That thing is thin. That thing is thin. That thing is thin. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.